Change ka na!
On our previous video, we've finished changing the curtains, the sofa seats using an elastic sofa sleep cover, which is from mixed colors and patterns to one tone instantly. I also put up some organizers, decluttered some toys and books that we have in our TV rack. We also changed our center table, and the husband installed the wooden table as well. And so now let's get into the finishing touch. This video will be about all the decor items that I found in Shopee and somewhere in Facebook Marketplace that I highly recommend. We'll start with this faux fur that I love so much, the quality and the color that match exactly to the color scheme I wanted to achieve. I bought two colors. This one is light to dark gray, which matches our sofa and the wooden table. And I also have this khaki color that matches our stand mirror and foldable organizer. If you were to ask me on my expectation versus reality on this one, I would say this really exceeded my expectation. And I would not do any video of this if it's not worth your penny. Kaya my advice to those who are buying online, please guys, put a review. It helps a lot to those who are looking. These desktop decors, I found these in Shopee as well. It has good quality and it's quite functional. This golden cactus, you can insert coins inside it. And I put this gold decors accent here as this is the focal point of the room where we hang our family portraits above it. Now this candle holder, which I kept since last year, I got this in Handyman for 200 plus only when they had a markdown sale to 60%. And a real indoor plant, the very famous spider plant, which is very easy to care. And this best deal of stand lamp we found also online, and I'll be making a separate video on this one for the unboxing and for the installation. This is the most exciting part. We're finally living with more green babies inside our home. This macrame plant hangers is from a local supplier nearby. It's called notyourordinary.ph. From its color and size, I'm so happy it turns out. You can check out their shop and they sell different kinds of colors and designs. And the owner is very nice. Presenting to you my DIY planter from a Bamboo-made Placemat. This is detachable with a Velcro tape which you can adjust depending on the size of the pot. And I'm so happy, it looks really neat and the natural texture is talaga namang bumagay siya sa area na to. This white faux fur, we've got this long time ago and this is for a small online business flat lay shoots purposes. I added a throw pillow that has palm leaves pattern and the gray carpet that I showed to you earlier. A tiny teapot where we can keep some sweet treats. And lastly, this patterned yellow throw pillowcase that is inspired by Mama Ann Klutz. that's it. We're done with the finishing touch and let's go to the reveal. But before that, I will show you how our room looks like. And that's the actual look of a newly transformed living room, and I'm so satisfied and happy with the result. Comment down below please if you have any suggestions, and if you love it too, it means the world to me. Now let's go to the budgeting. I'm just sharing to you my budget breakdown for this, and if you're eyeing on any of the items, I'm sharing the links on the description box. And most of the items I got online are on sale, so it will be great if you grab it. That whole transformation cost below 5,500 pesos only. And guys, before I'll say goodbye, I'd like to share with you a quick snap of the before and after the makeover that we did. That's it. Thank you very much guys for watching, and if you haven't watched the part 1 of this, I shared the link down below.